My dad is pilot.
In this video, a military helicopter makes an emergency landing on the beach. The helicopter's low oil pressure indicator alerted the pilot during the flight. Therefore, the pilot decided to make an emergency landing, found a safe place near the beach, and landed there. Pilots and crew are safe. CH-53E is the largest and heaviest helicopter used by the military. Here is the video of a small smoke puff during Raptor APU start, from the fighter jet. Here is 14-year-old guy landing a glider on his own. Wow, he landed it very well. These helicopters are flying in a beautiful formation. See how many they are. Superb. Here is the beautiful landing of the large Antonov An-124 cargo airplane. See its wingspan. How big it is. This F-15 airplane is beautifully flying along with the cloud. Wow, beautiful view. Superb. In this video, we can see the working of the landing gear of the Boeing 777 airplane. Wow, it's superb. Here is the pilot is performing an amazing spin. Wow, the pilot skills are superb.